In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Google Sheet. Whether you're organizing a class project, tracking work tasks, or sharing a report with a team, giving your spreadsheet a clear, consistent name makes it much easier to find and understand later. The process is quick, and you'll see the change reflected everywhere that file appears in your Google Drive. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you're in the correct file you want to update. If you're collaborating with others, check that you have edit access. Only people with permission to edit the file can change its name. Once the sheet is open in your browser, look toward the very top left corner of the page. You'll see the current file name displayed in the header area, right next to the small Google Sheets icon. Click the current file name at the top left corner. When you click it, the name becomes editable just like a text field. If the entire name highlights, you can start typing immediately, or you can place your cursor and edit only part of it. This is helpful if you want to keep the main title and simply add a date, version number, or short descriptor to make it more searchable. Type the new name. Aim for a name that is descriptive and concise, like Marketing Budget 2026 Q1 or Client Meeting Notes March. Avoid overly long names, special characters that don't add meaning, or vague labels like Sheet 1, which make it harder to find the file later. If you work with versions, consider a simple convention such as v1.0, v1.1, or using dates in a consistent format, for example, YYMMDD, so the files sort logically. Press Enter to save the new title. You'll notice the name updates instantly at the top left and in your drive. Google Sheets auto-saves, so there's no extra save button to click for the rename. If the file is shared, collaborators will see the new name the next time they open Drive or refresh their view, which helps everyone stay aligned. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Use clear, specific keywords in your title to improve search results in Drive. Keep a consistent naming style across your team or projects, and avoid confidential details in the file name, since names can appear in shared folders. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet, click the current name in the top left, type the new name, and press Enter. Simple, fast, and instantly more organized.